continues to run their own way. Don't know when my luck will change. Will it change or not?
Oh dear, why are you getting so angry in the morning?
You be quiet. You keep on reading the newspaper all day.
Nowadays, maids are on strike. There's a sale in shopping malls in Chandanagars. Buy one, get one free.
You don't know anything about your house and you keep on reading the newspaper the whole day.
On the day, oh, Janmashtami celebrations are planned in my home jewels. Geeta, Sita, close the doors and windows. Otherwise, ISKCON people will come and ask for donations.
Oh, Mom, I'm tired. Please give me some water.
You just be quiet. You keep on gossiping the whole day. Can't you get up and take it yourself? Who is there? Oh, it seems some sages have come. I'll call them inside. Who knows if their arrival may change our fortunes? This permission has to be taken. Listen.
Oh, it's earlier you were getting angry on me. Now it seems your relatives have come.
Leave it. What do I say? 3 divine sages have come. Shall I call them inside? Who knows if their arrival may change our fortunes?
You find sages divine. Don't you ever find your husband divine?
Leave it. What do I say? I'll call them. Our luck will change shortly.
Money is gone by inviting sages to our house. Money never comes by doing that.
Please, shall I call them?
Have you ever listened to me that today you listen? Okay, call them.
Please come, sages. Bless our house.
Mother, 3 of us cannot come inside. Only one of us can come inside.
Mother, I am money. Wherever I go, the money increases and there is lots of money and facilities. Mother, I am success. Wherever I go, all work is successful. Whoever invites me to their home, they will be blessed with success.
Okay, and you please tell?
Mother, I'm Krishna Prem. Wherever I go, love for Krishna increases.
Whom should I call? I'll ask him. Listen.
What happened now?
They are saying that only one of them can come inside. Whom should I call?
It's good then, call one of them only.
One is money, one is success, and the third is Krishna Prem. Whom should I call?
Money. What to think in that? Call money. If you have money, we can have 2-3 houses, 10 12 servants and cars. And you don't need to do household work. We can live our lives freely.
No. I think we should call success. We will be famous like celebrities. And our photo will be there in this newspaper which you are reading. I think we should call success.
No money.
No, success.
No money.
No, success.
No money.
No, success.
No money.
Daddy, can I also say something?
Yes, you also tell.
His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, the Guru of ISKCON, explained through Bhagavad Gita that the love for Krishna is the most valuable thing and devotion never dies. As in Mahabharata, Arjuna chose Krishna and Duryodhana chose Narayani Sena. Do you know who won?
Yes, I know. Arjuna won. The Pandavas won.
Yes, so that's why we should call Krishna Prem. We learned about Krishna Prem in BB Kids class.
I think you're absolutely right. Continue going to my home kids class and take your sister also. Go and call Krishna Prem.
No one listens to me in this house. Everyone continues to run their own. Who is Krishna Prema among you?
Mother, I'm Krishna Prem.
Please come inside.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Here you said only one will come. Here all have come.
Oh sages, you said that only one of you would come inside. Here you all have come in.
Mother, if you would have called money, money would come alone. If you would have called success, success would come alone and they will go after some time. But you choose Krishna Prem. Wherever there is Narayana, money and success come by themselves to serve him. It is also explained in the last sloka of Bhagavad Gita as well. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Pathodanuddara, Tatra Sri Vijayo Bhutir, Dhruvani Tirmatir Mama. That means wherever there is Krishna, the father of all mystics, and wherever there is Arjuna, the supreme archer, there will be certainly opulence, extraordinary power, victory, and morality. That's why we should choose Krishna Prem.
Yes, that's why we should choose Krishna Prem. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you.
So what do we choose now? Success, money or Krishna Prem? I think not everyone is convinced. I'm not hearing from everyone actually. Yeah. So if you want your kids to be like this, there is a kids class going on every Sunday here and it is being conducted by Srivali Mataji. So please do send your kids to that class so that they will know more about Bhagavad Gita. And they can apply the same thing in their lives. Yeah, that is happening during the same satsang time when the Bhagavad Gita class is being done by Prabhuji, Balgam Prabhuji here. And I wanted to introduce even Mahalinga Maya Prabhu and Vishnu Prabhu who have empowered the kids all the way here. Vishnu Prabhu and Mahalinga Maya Prabhu. So they were conducting classes in my home Jewel from the past 1.5 years and they are empowering kids not only in spiritual but in the material progress as well. So thank you for that. And this is all possible because of His Grace Balgavan Prabhuji, because it is his initiative that the next generation should be empowered in the spiritual progress as well. Not only the material thing is important for us, but the spiritual progress is important as well. Thank you everyone. Let us show gratitude to these kids by loudly Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Now we have one more dance by Sahasra. Then